I made over $800 in just 28 days, and that was purely from ads. Not sponsorships, not affiliate links, just YouTube ads. And in the year 2025, I crossed over $8,000 in ad revenue from a single YouTube channel. No big team, no fancy studio, just consistency, smart decisions, and the right settings. But here's the crazy part. When I first started, I was getting less than 10 views a day. I felt invisible. I spent hours editing videos, writing perfect titles, even learning SEO. But still, no results. Until I discovered something most small creators never pay attention to: YouTube settings. Not just any settings. I'm talking about 6 powerful options inside YouTube Studio that most people ignore or don't even know exist. And once I activated these 6 settings, everything changed. Views started climbing, subscribers finally clicked that red button, and my videos started showing up in search, in browse, and even on the homepage. In this video, I'm going to break down each one of these 6 hidden settings, what they do, why they matter, and how to set them up the right way. If you've ever felt stuck on YouTube, like you're doing everything right but still getting nowhere, then this video could be the turning point. So stay with me till the end, because every setting builds on the next, and by the time we get to number 6, you'll have a complete system to unlock real YouTube growth. Let's dive in and change your channel's future today. The first and most important setting you need to fix is channel keywords. These keywords are the backbone of your channel's discoverability. They tell YouTube what your content is about and who should see it. Without them, YouTube has no clear idea who to recommend your videos to, which means fewer views and slower growth. Here's how to set them up. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, go to Channel Basic Info. Enter relevant keywords that describe your channel's niche and content. This quick update helps YouTube understand your content better and start pushing your videos to the right audience. Next up is Upload Defaults, a major time saver and a key to staying consistent. This setting allows you to pre-fill important details like your video description, tags, and visibility settings. You can add your main keywords, social media links, and any standard disclaimers, and they'll automatically appear in every video you upload. Also, set your default video visibility to private or unlisted. This gives you a chance to review and optimize each video before it goes live. Here's how to set it up. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, go to Upload Defaults, enter your default title, description, tags, and visibility settings. This not only boosts your channel's SEO, but also streamlines your workflow, so you can focus more on content creation and less on repetitive tasks. Don't miss the next game-changing tip. Hit that subscribe button now and take your channel to the next level. Your channel trailer is the first thing new visitors see. It's your golden opportunity to hook viewers and turn them into subscribers. Pick a video that delivers high value and clearly represents what your channel is about. To set up your channel trailer, go to YouTube Studio, click on Customization, select the Home tab, click on Add section, then choose Channel Trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Select your best performing video with high views and engagement. There's also a powerful feature called Spotlight. This is for returning subscribers. It helps keep them engaged and encourages repeat views. To set up a Spotlight video, in the same Home tab, click on Add section. Choose Featured Video for returning subscribers. Select a video that has strong performance and aligns with your current content. Setting these up boosts both first impressions and subscriber retention, 2 major factors in growing your channel. Hey, if you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and subscribe. I've got even more helpful stuff coming your way. Engagement is everything. Comments are a key signal to YouTube that people are interacting with your content, and that can help boost your reach. To keep your audience engaged and your community healthy, make sure comments are enabled and properly moderated. Here's how to set it up. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, select Community, then go to the Defaults tab. Turn on comments for your videos, optional but recommended. Enable filters to block spam and inappropriate language. This simple setup encourages real interaction while keeping your channel a positive space, which helps build trust, loyalty, and long-term growth. This is a critical setting that affects your channel's features, visibility, and monetization. To update this, go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, go to Channel Share Advanced Settings, find the question, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Choose No. This channel is not made for kids. By selecting No, you unlock essential features like comments, personalized ads, and broader reach on the platform. Channels marked for kids have limited visibility and interaction, so if your content is not specifically for children, be sure to turn this off. This setting plays a big role in growing your channel and maximizing engagement. Don't underestimate the power of a video watermark. It's a small but effective tool to increase your subscribers. This clickable watermark appears on all your videos. Here's how to add it. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Customization. On the Profile section, scroll down to the Video Watermark section. Upload your logo or a small subscribe image. Set it to appear throughout the entire video. This quick setup can passively grow your subscriber base with every single view, so make sure to activate it. So that's it. The 6 most important YouTube settings every small creator must optimize right now to kickstart real growth. If you found even one helpful tip, don't just scroll. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which setting you're fixing first. Thanks for watching. And remember, one smart setting today can mean thousands of views tomorrow. See you in the next video.